Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in this here very box may well be the best priced Arrma Kraton. I know what you're thinking, shut the fuck up. But I might very well be right. Yeah, so let's start opening the box. I did get this off auction eBay, and I already did open it to make sure everything was okay. So here it is. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, she is a beast. All right, before we even start going over the truck, I want to send a message to the guy I bought this from. Buddy, you said it came with the owner's manual and spare parts and they weren't in the box. I sent you a message. You still haven't opened it or replied, so you have 24 hours or I'm sending my lawyers after you, sir.
Oh, just take it easy, man.
All right, we got some breaking news. The guy is sending the owner's manual and the spare parts. So here we go. Let me get a different camera angle. All right, the first thing is we're just gonna give a little in-depth view of how clean everything is. All right, starting up front, we have the RPM front bumper, and I'm pretty sure these are RPM front arms too, because the stock ones usually have the screw that keeps this pin from coming out. So we will see on if these come out or not. So yeah, upgraded front bumper and arms is what it looks like. All right, and moving to the back, we have a J Concepts rear suspension mount, and also I'm pretty sure these are RPM rear arms too. I don't know, I'll have to look into it because my Arrma Mojave has the screws that keep these pins from coming out, and I'm guessing they're all the same. Also RPM wing mount, which I just noticed after looking back here. And no, it did not come with this fan. I actually just put this on earlier just to make sure it fit. All right, he has this carbon fiber like skin over it, which is, I'm probably gonna take that off because it's covering all the screws down here. But if I lift this up, see that there's a metal skid plate under here. So this whole chassis underneath could be completely rusted, and that's why this is on here, but we'll figure that out when it comes to that. But I'm just gonna leave this on for right now. All right, so that is the overview of the truck, and like I said, I got this on auction on eBay for $345, so let me know if you think I got a good deal on that, and then now we can just throw some batteries in it and see how it runs and if it's blown up or not. Hopefully not. Yes! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the legend, Miles Lazaro.
Better than Cam, boy.
Yeah, and Teddy. We got the Arrma Kraton first run. That's sick that it does freaking wheelies, though. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh! She's mint, bud. Oh! Right to the rock. I know, the front end, I don't know why the pinion gear sounds like that too. In a turning radius.
I'm like a corkscrew.
It didn't throw nearly as bad as rocks as the Mojave, just because the tires. Like, it wants to backflip before it freaking throws rocks. Oh, I got grass on my hood, dude.
Dude,
Dude,
the car's
I'm
dirty.
selling it back. I'm giving it back. Refund. Give me my money back. It's dirty, bro. Miles blessed us with this ramp that he had and he wasn't using. So he's basically like the modern day Mr. Beast, even though Mr. Beast is modern. So we're gonna get some jumps going, just add to the video and just see how this thing jumps. Definitely a lot better for jumping versus the Mojave, but that's kind of what you expect. Perfect though, it's gonna place right there. Reverse, Terry. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll have more videos up of the Kraton soon, and yeah, hopefully I can find another ramp like that so we can put them beside each other and really send it. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching.
Hello.